Hello mga kalingap,
Hello mga kalangga!
please subscribe Richel TV.
Thank you mga kalingap.
Sabi mo, message sila dito na si Tita.
Pag-message si ano, si...
Ay, grabe si Dan dyan. Ang pogi. Ay, grabe. Ang pogi ah.
Hinahanap yata.
Grabe.
Nandito na. Pakisabi na lang. Okay, thank you.
Ay, kita ulit na mangyayari na makakagat na
Ay, grabe. Murag model.
Folks, ladies and gentlemen, let's give the family of our dearest Rachel May, our dearest Langga, the biggest round of applause. Thank you, family. Thank you, family. I am honored to be with you again tonight. Thank you so much. Everyone, we may all be seated. Maraming salamat po. Folks, ladies and gentlemen, here we go now. I believe, of course,
the Rachel's or Langa's 18th birthday. So I welcome you all in this prestigious celebration of Langga 18th birthday. So i-highlight ko lang po dito yung mga pumunta, no? Family of Rachel Morales. Dito po, on the left side. And also on the side of her mother, the side of the Morales family and the Arriba family. Yeah, give round of applause. Next one.
ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands up together. Let's put our hands up together, everybody. And I wish for you to wave and say hi to the princess of our hearts. Once again, a big hand for our dearest Langga. Ladies and gentlemen, she's now being received by her pop, and the first bouquet of flowers came from Papa, and here's another one to the prince. Let's give them a round of applause. Everybody now, thank you. You are beautiful, Rachel May, as you have always been. Everyone, once again, let's give ourselves the biggest round of applause. Congratulations to all of you that this night has been made possible. Yeah, everyone was saying that she's looking like a princess. Exactly. Our princess come alive tonight. Thank you so much. That's it. Please. Let us join, of course, and have our smiles. Okay, to the... dancing next with our birthday girl. Please welcome Mr. Justin Aguirre. Let's give him a big hand. And here we go for the next one. To have the honors of dancing next to the birthday girl, please welcome Mr. Jerwin Saliente. Let's give him a big hand. Folks, may I introduce to everybody our next special guest, Mr. Robinson Matubang. To have the honors of dancing next with our dearest debutant, please welcome Mr. Lyndon Ligol. Ladies and gentlemen, joining our birthday girl on the dance floor is our next gentleman, Mr. Evaristo Velez. Let's give him a round of applause. Let's give him a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big hand for dearest Dodong and Langga. That is beautiful. Thank you. Dodong, please stay right where your Langga is at, because this time I'm going to call back our other 17 gentlemen to please join our Langga for your much needed photo opportunity. May we have once again our dearest Papa Raysan, on the other side, Mr. Ian Chris Morales, Mr. Axel Maravillo, Mr. Justin Aguirre, Mr. Jericho Anderson Tan, Mr. Christian Parlan, Mr. Joshua Amaro, Mr. Lance Bana, Mr. Lance Balonzo, Mr. Jancy Espinola, Mr. Jerwin Saliente, Mr. John Benedict Bumandag, Mr. John Carmen Pami, Mr. Robinson Matubang, Mr. Lyndon Ligon, Mr. Ever. Thank you, everybody. Once again, let's give our gentlemen a round of applause. Palakpakan po. Okay, thank you. Now, Langga, may I have you here, my dear? Okay. There is a special...
Mas magpatuloy ka pa at lumaban. Ngayong gabi nang di mo malilimutan kaalaman, kitang-kita sa iyong mga mata ang kagalakan. Mga bagay na kailanman ay di mo naisip na darating sa buhay mo ang ganitong kaganapan. Mga nakakalulang mga pagbabago at sorpresa, mga handog na tayong sa iyo nakalaan. Deserve mo naman talaga ang lahat ng to dahil kahanga-hanga ang iyong katauhan. Alam naming marami ka pang mga pangarap para sa pamilya mong lagi nandiyan.
All my dreams come true when I dance with you. Promise me the lights tonight. I'll be there in the light tonight. While the lights are low, and nothing that we go. Till I dream that we dance forever, in a wish that we make together on a night that I pray will never end. Whoa, you know it's not my imagination or a word of the orchestration. Love is here at your coronation. I'm the king, you're the hero. Sometimes the tears will fall, but someday we'll all be gone. Won't ever get lost, golden and golden.
Tito Donald Morales. Thank you so much. Two of them are left on our list. Thank you so much.
Happy 18th birthday, May. Sana all maraming celebration. May, a special day, May, as amazing you are. And may the year ahead bring you all the happiness and success you deserve. Mag-iingat ka lang palagi at patuloy lang sa kabaitan mo. Nandito lang ako palagi at basta nakasupport lang ako palagi sa'yo. At sila mama at papa, supported din yan talaga. Basta kung kailangan mo ng kausap, punta ka lang sa Kubo. Ayan, happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Yes, the Kubo that always welcomes everybody. Ladies, thank you so much, Miss Maui. And ladies and gentlemen, finally, the last one on our list, please welcome Miss Dana May Aguilar. Let's give her a round of applause. Palakpakan po. Miss Mariette, Miss Queen Alexandra, Miss Maui, and Miss Dana. Ladies and gentlemen, we've just been done and good with our 18 Candles traditions. Now, ladies, look at the camera first and give us your best smile. Okay, on the other side, Miss Joy and the rest of our ladies. Look at the camera and smile, ladies and gentlemen. Our ladies who have honored our birthday girl. Thank you. Okay, ladies, please stay, ladies. You're not going anywhere. We are going to prepare your candles. Thank you.
Na mag-relax din kasama ko. Diba? So sa ngayon, talagang ano pa, syempre hindi pa nakag-get over sa nangyari kahapon, kung paano nangyari, di ba? Mukhang, ano lang, mukhang panaginip lang, di ba? Kasi, ayun po, sa sobrang haba-haba naming pinagsamahan, from Kalingap serye turns into reality. At ngayon, naging official na kami kahapon, kaya nagpapasalamat ako dahil tinanggap ako nilangga, and importante dito ay yung pamilya, talagang buong-buo din po akong tinanggap. So ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat and kay Langga, and pagpatuloy mo lang kung sino si Rachel. Rachel May Arriba Morales. Wala akong nakitang pagbabago kay Langga, honestly speaking. Since day one nakita kami sa kanilang bahay na hindi pa naayos, until now, ganun pa rin yung ugali niya. Promise. So siguro, na-misinterpret or sa ibang tao, sa ibang point of view ng mga tao, nagbago si Rachel. Para sa akin, talagang hindi nagbago, ganun pa rin siya, humble pa rin. And alam ko na until the end, ganun pa rin sila. Kasi grabe yung blessing, overflowing yung mga blessing. Akalain nyo, dalawang celebration ng kanyang debut ngayon po. Kaya salamat po sa mga tao ginamit ni Lord para maging successful at para maibigay natin kay Langga yung deserve na blessings para sa kanya. Kaya once again, happy birthday Langga, and syempre marami pang mga araw or happy memories ang ating i-create, ating pagsasamahan. And syempre, I love you Langga.
Ladies and gentlemen, our dearest Dodong, thank you so much. Ladies and you ready? Blow it. Happy birthday, Langga! Palakpakan mo! Papa Rayson, may you kindly join your daughter po. Please join your daughter. And everyone, please, please remain standing. We have, of course, this tradition that we would like to perform. As much as our dad need to encourage the sweetness in the life of his Langga, of his Rachel May, we are going, of course, to have our dad share the sweetness of the cake with his dearest princess. And folks, there is something that I would love to share with everybody. You know the ceremony of the cake? When the celebrant slice it, it means one thing. She will share the cake with everybody. So please wait for it. Okay, thank you. Everyone, let's do it, babe. Okay, please slice a part of your cake. It's beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this has made possible through our friends from the Rochelle Forever United Supporters and the RFU at International. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Hey, shout out everybody to you. God bless you. Okay, here we go now for our dearest Rachel. That's it. She has sliced it. And finally, thank you.
Kuya, happy birthday po ng background. Mahina lang. Happy birthday naman.
Okay. Thank you. We encourage the sweetness in your life. You are 18 and the best years ahead for you. Palakpakan naman. Where we are now going to see each other for the dining. And may I of course call our beautiful one to lead us for that. May we have Mr. Alex Librada to lead us for the prayer. Thank you.
Yan, yung po tayong lahat at tayo po ay manalangin para po sa ating grasya.
Let's go straight to our food station. Anyway, our family naman po were able to join. The families were able to join Langga and Dodong earlier during their pictorial. So, what about?